Hi, everybody. I just wanted to pop in here real quick and thank you for participating in Treasure Trovember. As you know, this is our 5th year of doing the challenge, started in 2020. And this year, you guys were blowing it out of the water. It is just incredible the number of people that have signed up to get the free guide and register. And it's also incredible the number of people that are finding us over on YouTube. And the first video of Trovember, the number keeps going up every time I check, but the first video this year has over 4,600 views. That's like 6 times more than has ever registered in a single year for Trovember. And the numbers are consistently going up for, day 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I am just thrilled. If you registered and got the free download, you are eligible for some prize drawings. If you haven't registered, check out the link to register and get your free guide. There will be more drawings throughout the month, and I wasn't going to do one today, but I feel like I need to, number one, celebrate how many people are coming together and creating this crazy collage thing we call Trovember. You guys, I am so grateful for you. It is the day after the U.S. Presidential election here, and so there's a lot to process, and I don't generally get into politics, but I know a lot of people have been stressing around the world over this election this year, and I think there's a lot of disappointment in the results, and we'll let that all work its way out. But we know that art heals. We know that art is really important to people in difficult times. We know I went through in 2017 a devastating hurricane hit our town directly. And one of the first things I did was reach out to the local art center and start doing classes as soon as we possibly could. They moved into another building and got a classroom up right away, and people were just so grateful to get away from the day-to-day of waiting for contractors and insurance adjusters and just spend a couple of hours being creative. And so I think that's got a lot to do with how many people we've seen enter the challenge so far, right? And so just take that 5 to 10 minutes a day, watch the little video, and put your crazy treasure Trovember collage together this month, just as a little bit of self-care, just as a little bit of time for you, and to just let go and glue some stuff down. And it doesn't have to be a masterpiece, but just do it. It's really good for you. Studies have shown. So anyhow, so I wanted to come on today and do that, and to give a prize. We had so many people register so far that I was going to print them out and cut up pieces of paper and do a drawing that way. And actually, I ended up just putting a spreadsheet into a random number drawer. And so I'm going to announce the winner right here now. I'm not doing this live because I got too many things going on today. I'll record this and then go ahead and post it in a bit. But anyhow, the winner today for the prize is, this is probably the biggest prize this month, probably, 1 year in the Collage Lab mini membership, which is, it's an incredible opportunity. I'll put a link for the mini membership if you want to check it out. But it's a really great opportunity to join our community on a regular basis. We get together, the mini membership, about 3 times a month. We have a monthly challenge. We have a great conversation on Zoom about relevant topics, to being a collage artist, from, how do I store my stuff? How do I organize it? To how do we deal with artificial intelligence? Where do you find calls for art? All of those things. We have great conversations. And so that's once a month in the mini membership. And then we have one project-based tutorial demo, where we get together and I come up with a new project and teach you some techniques, and we just have a lot of fun with that. Next year, I'm also looking to bring in some guest artist instructors for that part of the program, and so it's really great. The other part of it, and it's really not on me, it's on all of my amazing members, is the community. And you will be part of, as a member, you'll be part of this amazing community of like-minded individuals. We have a private Facebook group for the members, that they can share their work and ask questions and share what's going on in their lives, their artistic lives, things like that. But we're also moving to a new platform in the next month or so, where there'll be a forum. So if you don't like Facebook, there's going to be an option for that as well, private forum. And we have something called Anytime Co-working, where our members can just log into Zoom at any time and hang out with other members and create and talk and share what they're working on, and just to get together and not be alone. A lot of times we create in isolation, and so if you're looking for a community, I can't think of a better group of people to spend some time with. So the mini membership is always open. We have another membership level that opens a few times a year. If you're interested in that, you can get on the wait list, but the mini membership's always open. It is $12 a month. And right now I've got a special. It's $99 a year. And whatever level you sign up at, whatever price, you're locked into that price until you cancel. So, if you want to just try it out for a month for $12, you can cancel at any time. Or if you think this is something that would really be good for you for your self-care, I try not to have too much stuff that's overwhelming. Most of the things happen live on Zoom. If you can't attend live, we have lots of members that just watch the replays and then interact in the groups, and that's fine too. So that is on special right now, $99 a year or $12 a month for the mini membership. And the random number picker drawing selected for this first prize, a 1-year mini membership. I will be emailing you shortly. Anna Murfin. And congratulations, Anna. Thrilled to welcome you to the mini membership. And the rest of you, if you haven't registered for Trovember, go ahead and register, get that free download, and you'll be eligible for future prize drawings as well. So that's all I've got for you today. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to record the prompt for tomorrow. I'm doing this one day at a time, just like you guys. So stay tuned for that prompt tomorrow morning, but I'm going to try to get this this video up today sometime. I have a few other things to do as well. But thank you again for participating in Treasure Trovember. And tell your friends it's not too late to join. Lots of people are still joining us. So a lot of people are just finding us on day 4 or 5. And so it's okay. They can jump in. It doesn't take long to watch the video. It doesn't take long to do the prompt if you don't overthink it. And so I encourage you, find a couple friends that need a creative outlet, outlet right now. Trouble talking today. But anyhow, yeah, find some friends, tell them about it, get them over to the YouTube channel. I appreciate y'all. I am so, so grateful for y'all right now. Really appreciate it. And if you're enjoying Treasure Trovember and you want some more, I encourage you to try out the mini membership. Thanks, everybody. See you real soon.